All right, guys, what is up? Today we are doing a electric steps kit on my F250. I mean my F150, and I'm gonna do it right now and start the wiring. I already put the wiring to the bottom up. That way it's much easier. And it's all this right here. So this is the box that comes with it, and this big one connects with this. This one connects with that, and there's like little, it doesn't go in just whatever way. See how there's those little, I don't know what they're called, but either way, these have them too, so they go one way. This goes positive, this goes to the neutral, and there's a, what do you call it, I already forgot what this is called. Whatever they're called. Either way, not gonna connect it yet because I'm gonna run all the wires, one through here and one through the driver's side, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I already wired or fished the wire on the driver's side from the top to the engine bay to the front across. You'll see it, and then I went right under the wheel weld. This one went over, and then these two little purple wires need to go inside, which you go inside, and the plastic right here, there's a plastic right here on top, pull that out, and this is going to go to the OBD port where you splice them, which I'll show you in a bit. Now what I'm doing is taking these off, because this one's for the LED lights that goes here, and then this one's also for the light that goes over yonder. So right now I'm just taking off my old boards, and then I'll install the new ones and go from there. Okay, so put the screws on. I had to do this one with the 13 mil open. Get it in. Connectors on. And you see how I told you I ran it that way? Alright. So bolted it up. And now I'm gonna do the other side. Actually, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and connect it and see if it works. Yep, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna connect this side, turn it on, and see if it works. Peace. Okay, guys, it's the next morning. I couldn't figure out what these two wires were for, so I went online and to figure out on their website had the instructions. The white one connects to the blue with green, and the blue one connects to the white with green, which is these two. So I'm gonna splice them in, and then we'll see where we go, because the steps are already on, but they're not moving. They're not going down. All right, so I put everything back together. These pieces of junk didn't really work right now, so I went ahead and did these. Oh, where'd it go? These right there for now. Stuck it back up there and just connected them up. So there we go. They're on. They work. Close the door. Close this. You go on the other side. Let me show you how it came out. So the fuse is back on. It's mounted under, and it goes through there. As you can see it goes through here and to down there. This one runs through here, all the way through here, comes out through there, right there, and I shoved it way down there, something like that. And how I got, oh, I already showed y'all there, through the bottom. Where's it at? There's the wires. That wire's for the LEDs, and it's over here. So they both work now. There we go. Oops. Ta-da! Alright, this is it for an installation video. If you have any comments, questions below, list them down, and I'll try to answer them when I see them. Peace!